This is how you repair machine gun door locks on your Mercedes Benz. First, you're going to open your door. You're going to get you some of this silicone lubricant, any brand pretty much. You're going to go ahead and you're going to unscrew this little peg right here. Now you're going to take this, your silicone lubricant with a straw on it, and you're going to go ahead and spray down this little metal shaft. You just want to let a little bit of it go down there. Now put this back together. Clean up any extra. Perfect. Go ahead and test it out. Perfection.